Welcome to WonkeyJase Top Drive Assist. And it's day 116 of testing pack drop rates. So what we do is we test the drop rates within the top drive game and see how realistic they are compared to the quoted figures. And every few months we actually come up and show you all the results. So at the moment it's a bit silly because there's 6 active events. There's 1 minute per round times 6, that's 30 minutes. And then you're back round doing the first event. So you never actually get a break. You know, you're going to be playing 24 hours. No chance to play your clubs or anything. And it's just a little bit silly. Anyway, let's go on to aluminum packs. So we've got 45 of those. And out of those 45 packs, we managed to get 38 rare, 6 super rare, and 1 ultra rare. So plus 4% over the rares, which is bad. Minus 6% from the super rares, which is bad again. Plus 0.5% for the ultra rares, which is kind of good, but overall really bad. So ceramic packs, we've got 36 of those, and out of those 36 packs, we've got 29 super rare, 7 ultra rare, 0 epic, and 0 legendary. So with the super rares, we want the least amount as possible. Ultra rares we want high, epics we want even higher, and legendary we want amazingly high. So the super rares came up exactly as quoted figures, but we got 5% extra for the ultra rares, and yeah, we didn't get any epics or any legendaries. So it's a mixed bag. It's not particularly good, to be honest. Anyway, going on to carbon fibers, we managed to get 9 of those packs. All we got out of those was ultra rares. Got no epics, no legendaries out of 9 carbon fiber packs. Really bad. So minus 18% for the epics and minus 2.5% for the legendaries. So and plus 20% for the ultra rares. So we've got the lowest denominator throughout the whole packs. So I'm just going to go ahead and have a little sniffle and cry about that, because it's not good at all. And for those who entered the quiz last week, the answer is Sprouse. That's it. The answer is Sprouse. Ha ha ha. And the word of the day is amphibium, which means any street or road pertaining around the destination you want to go to. Interesting. So the cost of today's packs in real money would have cost you £328.68, or you could have got a Sony PlayStation, digital or disc only. Otherwise, you would have just stuck with your 17 ultras, no epics, and 0 legendaries. You can make the choice yourself. And moving on to the club results. And we got first 0 times, second once, and third twice. So not particularly good. Yeah, I've kind of picked the wrong club there, but never mind. And moving on to the campaign results, we got 3 times rare, 1 time super rare, and 0 ultra. And for those of eagle eyes, can you spot the mistake of the day? Somewhere in this video there is the mistake of the day. Leave your answer in the comments below.
3, 2, 1. Wow, hello. And I'm a Porsche collector, and that would do very, very nicely. The 959 medium height, and what a classic car that is. Very nice indeed, very happy.
That's just a ridiculous hand. How I meant to beat that? That's just silly. But anyway, you can give it a go. Put in my best vehicles, and yep, better tune on that one. Disappointed I lost on that because that was maxed out. And oh yes, nice result from the Koenigsegg there, and a nice finish off on the Apollo. Um, and it's crashed. I don't know what's going on here. All the graphics are all over the place. Yeah, how can I play with that? That's just silly. But anyway, underneath you can see my quite a good hand. Is it going to let me play? No. They do this every time they do a update. We have a multitude of different crashes, and unfortunately we just had to live with it. You would have thought they would have done a dry run, had a little play around with it, make sure it all works happy on the different platforms and different scenarios. But unfortunately, it looks like they just release it into the public and let the public find all the mistakes. Pretty poor show, but there we are. Enjoy. Now look at all these packs that we can buy, and also look at the extraordinary prices they expect us to pay. That is a huge amount of money. But anyway, these are all the special offers, as they call it, packs. Some are loaded, so boosted, as they call it. So that means you've got a higher rate of achieving certain categories of vehicles. And as just saw there, we also had the anniversary, 6th anniversary token exchange. I managed to get the 5 ultra rares. Didn't manage to get the epic or legendary. It was just beyond my reach. And I still don't know what those cards are for there. The ones that we've been collecting for probably about 2 months now. But anyway, back to the movie. So please like, share and subscribe and comment below, and we're also on TikTok. So bye bye.